Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're building your online store with Webflow, you're definitely going to need a way to get paid, and today I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of adding payment methods on Webflow in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have your payment providers set up and be ready to start taking orders confidently without any confusion or missteps. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head to the CMS section in your Webflow designer page. If you love keyboard shortcuts and who doesn't like saving time, you can get there even faster by pressing Alt+C on your keyboard. This opens up the content management sidebar, making navigation a breeze. Once you're in the CMS, look for the Ecommerce tab. Go ahead and click that. This section is all about the nuts and bolts of selling online, so it's where you'll manage products, customers, and of course payments. On your first visit, you might see a prompt for a setup guide. Click on that setup guide. Think of it as your friendly roadmap that ensures you won't accidentally skip a step. Webflow's setup guide is designed to walk you through all the basics, so if you ever feel uncertain, just remember that this tool is there to help you stay on track. As you move through the setup guide, keep an eye out for the section called Launch Your Store. This is where things start to get exciting because soon you'll be ready to go live. Here you should see the option to add payment provider. This step is crucial. The payment provider you choose is the bridge between your store and your customers' wallets. When you click here, Webflow is going to prompt you to fill in some essential information about your business. Don't rush through this part. Take a few moments to make sure everything is accurate. You'll be asked for business details like your address, tax info, and how you'd like to receive payouts. This is a bit like setting up a new bank account. Accuracy really matters, so your funds go to the right place and everything stays compliant. Once you've entered your business details, you're almost there. The next step is to actually add your preferred payment method. Now, depending on your location and business type, Webflow typically lets you choose from popular options like Stripe, PayPal, or maybe even others that are new in 2025. Stripe, for example, is fantastic for handling credit card transactions and deposits funds straight into your bank, while PayPal is great if you want a service many people are already familiar with. Follow the on-screen instructions to link up your chosen provider. Usually it's just a matter of logging into your account, authorizing Webflow to access, and confirming a few details. Don't worry if the process takes a minute or two. Sometimes these connections have a few security steps to keep your store and your customers safe. If you hit any snags, Webflow's documentation is right at your fingertips, and of course drop a comment below and I'll help however I can. And that's it. Once your payment provider is set up and connected, your store can start accepting payments. You might want to do a quick test purchase just to make sure everything's working smoothly before your big launch. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or feedback in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Webflow tutorials. Good luck with your store, and I'll see you in the next one.